Hi, I'm Silas, and today we're gonna make, I forget. Well, I guess that's good because we have special guests. I'm Elliot.
I'm Lily.
What are you making today?
Brownies!
Oh, we are gonna make brownies?
Yeah.
What's the first step?
To preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Starting.
So... Just wait, it takes a while.
We'll just wait.
Yeah, we'll just wait.
Okay, bye. Time's up!
Okay, what's the next step?
It's to get this and wrap around a sling like that on both sides.
Okay.
I'll do it. Do it. So just put it in like a little cheeseburger and like that. Okay? We need more. Put it in.
Ow.
Then rub it around. Ow.
Don't worry, you're only going to cut your fingers off.
You're not. Rip it in half.
Like that.
Okay.
It's good.
Yeah.
Next step.
I pour this oil into here, and then I dip this in here.
So you're basically going to pour it in there, and then you're going to oil it here. I think that's enough. Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah.
That's definitely
Next
enough.
step. So Elliot can get two of these of cocoa powder.
How much is that? 2/3?
Yes.
Oh, you got to level it with the back of the knife.
Oh. While Elliot's doing that, you need 1 cup and 4 tablespoons of boiling hot water.
And I'm going to add this to that?
Yeah, and then put it in here.
Okay. If you're little,
Get an adult to help you.
yeah, if you're little, get an adult.
Yeah, but we're not little.
Yeah, but I am. Okay.
I almost tickled you.
4. Then I'm going to put this in there, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Put it in there. So, yeah.
I'll do it.
No! Other way around. Put this in here.
Oh. Makes more sense.
Don't touch that aside.
I don't want to spill it.
You won't.
Ew. It looks like...
Okay. Next step. Now, mix these. Now the next step is mixing.
Okay. Okay, this is what you mix.
You mix it. While Lily's mixing that chocolate, Silas is going to eat. Not eat, but 4 ounces on this thingy of this.
These are called chocolate fizz Guyana.
I tried to read.
Fine.
Here, let me take care of that.
Nope.
4. 100.
Next step.
Pour it in. Pour this in.
Am I gonna die?
No.
Good.
Pour this in.
Don't drop the bowl. No, stir it in, Elliot.
Oh. Are they gonna melt to death?
Yes, they are.
Yeah, they are. They're not gonna die though. They're gonna die in your tummy after you eat the brownies. So, we need to melt 1 stick of butter on this very hot thing.
It's a butter melter.
Oh, it's not a butter melter. It's an everything melter. So just get the butter and unwrap it. You unwrap it first. Silas has to pour the butter into the chocolate mixing bowl that I really want to eat right now, but I can't. Are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
Are you gonna
Very careful.
It's white.
Mix.
Okay, that's good. I don't want my hand to be burned off. Mixing on a taco.
As hard as you can. pour 1 cup of this oil from a car into...
It's called a bottle.
Yeah, it's not from a car.
Well, it's a car. Like, they milked the car.
Cars don't produce oil.
Yes, they do.
This is sunflower oil.
Yeah.
You milk the car, and the car produces oil.
Okay, so I'm gonna just put this in.
So, we're going to put 1 cup of oil, 4 tablespoons of oil too in here.
So let me guess. We need 4 whole eggs and 4 egg yolks.
Start cracking.
Okay.
Is that right? 4 whole eggs and 4 egg yolks?
Yep. I thought I knew how to do it.
I think I'm better at cracking eggs.
Well, just smile, remember?
Oh no, I don't.
It looks like slime.
Looks like squishy balls of squishy.
No,
Came out
slime.
there. Okay.
So, we're going to pour the eggs into the beautiful chocolate, like this. Pour it, and I'll mix. I'll show you what's inside after I mix it fully.
Not good. The eggs don't taste good. I just tried it and no.
Oh my gosh, you just tried the eggs?
Yep.
Ew. It looks like a normal
Brownies.
mix of brownies.
I like cheese, and this looks
Right
like
now.
cheese.
Because it's thicker because of the eggs.
Oh yeah. The secret ingredient is vanilla extract. Which is pulled out of the middle of nowhere. Well, whatever. It's vanilla extract, and I think we need 4 teaspoons. Yeah, 4 teaspoons. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so we need about 5
Cups of
That's
sugar.
and I think we need a lot of sugar. It's about 2 pounds.
No!
It's 1.
A lot of
I don't think I can eat that much sugar.
2 pounds.
Next is
We pour the sugar into the
chocolate.
brownie sauce. So let me.
It's called chocolate.
Okay, well,
It's
chocolate
called
sauce.
melted chocolate.
Next, you're going to need 1 pound and 1.5 ounces of all-purpose flour. I'm just going to pour this in.
And we need 1.5 teaspoons of this salt. Now I just put this salt in here. Okay, so Silas, you put this flour, don't eat it yet, put it into that chocolate. Then I take these chocolate chips and I need 12 ounces of them. And this is 12 ounces. Okay, that's perfect. Now I pour all of the chocolate chips into here. No, here.
No, you're not. Here. All the chocolate chips.
And mix them together.
Mix.
You pour
flour,
this
salt.
into there, Silas. Now pour all of it here.
No, I don't want to.
That is a lot of stuff.
Okay.
All at once.
So, we pour this chocolate into this holy oil pan. Hallelujah! It's holy oil pan.
Yeah.
And you gotta finish mixing on that.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put in the
oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Now, are you done mixing yet?
No, she's still got some
Just
flour.
get that flour right there. And chocolate chips are gonna melt. Okay, we have to try our chocolate before we do anything. Yeah. So. Chocolate's good. Yeah, it's so good. The brownies are done. We baked them for 35 minutes and it looks like they're ready.
Smells good.
This smells super good.
This is how it looks like after you put it from the oven. And then you're gonna let it cool for 1 hour. And then you transfer it to this thingy, another one of these. And then you wait for another 1 hour. Subscribe for more. Like if you liked it. Leave a comment if you liked it. Subscribe if you liked it. And yeah.
Bye.